Power target trades, power trigger trade. All right, power trigger trade, Sandro here, the big picture expert. I got a plan here for CAT. CAT is set up to test 160 to 165 in the short term. Longer term, much higher, could go much higher. But right now, we're going to talk about the short-term plan. The May 18, 155 calls could be used. You know, we could have a running, we can run to earnings April 24th, right? So, big picture, the stock setting up for higher price. I'd like to see volume pick up. Anyways, people, the May 18, 155 calls could be used. CAT needs to. I will explain inside the video facts. That's right. You know, like I said, I will explain the confirmation because confirmation is key. All my plans, the confirmation increases the odds dramatically. Now, I will explain the confirmation inside of Power Group Trades. Let me show you something, people. Let me show you something. All right, people. Welcome to Power Trigger Trade. Confirmation is key. Now, if you want to become a member inside my group, okay, it's free, but you got to follow my rules in order to become a special group member inside of Power Group Trade. This is for my serious followers who want to know everything that I do, right? And get updates. You know, I make these great live streams. You want to check out this live stream here, recorded April 11th. You can check that out on my YouTube channel. You want to check out what I said here about the SPY. I kind of show you a big picture because you know I'm a big picture expert. If you want to make money, great money in options, you want the big picture expert behind it. It's one thing if one person says it, but if the big picture expert with confirmation in my rules, we catch great gains. I want to show you some more things, people. Let me show you some more things, people. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So here we are at Power Target Trades. Let me hit this button here for a second. When you're first time you're going to see an intro video. You want to see the intro video of yours truly, Power Trigger Trade, talking to you, giving you the message. As you can see, Power Target Trades confirmation is key. Okay, so Power Trigger Trade is where I post stuff. Power Target Trades is a place where I post videos, like the video you're seeing. And the reason why you want to subscribe is I do live streams and a lot of documented great. Look at this created playlist, people. Never before in history have you seen such a thing. Plans, big picture plans, right? These aren't just ordinary plans. They're big picture plans. Solid gains and options, not little baby option plan. Big picture option plans, people. Big picture option plans, start to end, before the fact, just like you're seeing, confirmation, and after the fact, filmed, step by step, unlike anything you've ever seen before. Unlike anything, and I mean anything you've seen before. All right, people. If you have an account already, if you're watching this, you have an account, just hit the subscribe button. Well, if you don't have one, actually, you should sign one up. You should, sorry, I said you should, get a YouTube account and then come here, subscribe menu. If you have one already, I'm going to show you an easy way to subscribe right inside this video. Let's see what I say. Power Trigger Trade Sandro here, the big picture expert. You want to study my created playlist on the bottom of my YouTube channel. You also want to subscribe. A lot of great information here on Power Target Trades. You can also find my website link. And don't forget, there are live streams on my YouTube channel. So you want to subscribe for a whole bunch of reasons. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like